There's a lot of things, a lot you can do with chicken. A lot, right? Yes. All right. So I decided to bake this one. I'm not frying it, okay? Yeah. I'm gonna add my seasonings. Then I'm gonna put it in the oven to bake. Okay. Of course, I can't do without pepper. Yeah, of course. Yeah. Okay. Not too much spices because this chicken is sweet already. You might only need, well, remember when I'm frying it, I only need salt. Okay, that's salt. Uh, yeah, you don't need much. You do not need much. I'm just gonna turn the whole thing and put it in the oven. Yeah. Mhm. Yeah. Chicken is sweet already. You fry it, it's good. You cook it, it's good. You bake it, it's wow. Yeah. The chicken is naturally sweet already, so I don't put a lot of spices in it. I don't. Uh, okay, I'm gonna cook barbecue after. Now let me just start baking it like that. Okay. All right, guys. So that's it. The chicken is in the oven. Okay. So I'll show you guys when it's done. All right. All right. Thank you. So the chicken is done. It's done. Gotta bring it out now. The chicken is done. Yep. Baked chicken. Ooh, smoke. It's hot. Yep. It was good, right? Yep. Very nice. Very nice. I don't want to put a barbecue sauce on it. This is good like that. Then, if you want to eat, you can put a barbecue sauce over yours. Me, I'm gonna eat mine like this. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. God bless.